How to disable share button on Facebook. To disable the share button on your Facebook post, you need to adjust the post audience settings. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your device. On your Facebook, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Here, make sure that you are logged in to your own account. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile at the top. On your profile, navigate to the post where you would like to disable your share button. Then on the top right corner of the post, you will see a three-dot icon. Click on that. When a menu like this appears, click on the option Edit Privacy. Now you can set the audience to friends or only me. This will disable the share button for anyone outside this audience. Now you will need to do this manually for every post. This is because there is no direct option to remove the share button entirely for posts set to public, because Facebook allows public content to be shared. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.